That was dumb. Oh, pieces all over the place. Oh my God, it's a tragedy. Okay, sports fans, we've got a special, it's not quite a tank, but it is a tank tonight. We've got a half track. And half tracks are so widely used, you can't even name all the places they were used. You know, some of these tanks, you know, we used them here and there and all around, but a lot of them, these half tanks, they're probably the most prolific armored vehicle or sub-armored vehicle that they built. And what we have here is an M6 half. I can't say what that's even called. I've wanted one of these for a long time. In fact, when I first saw my first video on tanks, it had a half track and a tank going along shooting, and it was really, really cool. Send us in the comments if you want to see our faces or not, because I'm not used to showing faces. And somebody said the other day, it would be nice if you show faces. Well, I'm really ugly. Adam's kind of cute, but I'm ugly as hell. So, but I'm old and I don't really give a shit. So send us the comments if you want to see faces or not. We can rearrange the cameras as such if you want. All right, look at this. Let's hold it up like this. Got a camera there. Pretty, pretty. Got another camera over here. Kind of pretty. Well, it's kind of dark there. There's the controller. That looks like something out of a Marvel movie or something. Get the main event going here. What is holding us up? Oh my gosh, there's a huge zip ties. That was dumb. I just felt the whole damn thing break. Oh, pieces all over the place. Oh my God, it's a tragedy. Oh, still, it hit harder than I wanted it to. All right, this is way cool, Adam. I'm liking it. It's detailed. It's got nice lines to it. All right, sports fans, let's get down and take a closer look at this. We got the instructions right here. It's got tracks. It's got a drive shaft. Look at that. We got ourselves an M3 half track, complete with the, I think, 450 caliber anti-aircraft. This would be a loud son of a bitch in the battlefield, man. I guess everything's loud in the battlefield right now. You know how I know how things are loud? I shoot lots of guns once in a while, and I was amazed how loud guns are when you fire them without the earmuffs on. I shot a 7mm Ren Mag the other day. Kaboom! And it's a little shell about this big. I can't imagine what these things are like. It'd be horrendous. There's our half track. Okay, Adam's putting some batteries in the controller, but in the meantime, we're looking at the underneath carriage here. Let's maybe come over to this camera, see if we can see anything. This is a little, there's the steering rod. Boy, that's really thin. And there's a little drive shaft right here. And you can see there's a suspension back here, real springs on this suspension. That's kind of cool how that works. And then here's our battery. And here's a front axle that shows that it's a four-wheel drive, but it's not. This one does not have a gears in the front. It's just a faux differential there. So in real life, I think they got it. And then you got It's even got detailed muffler. There's a muffler and a pipe underneath there. The detail on this is pretty darn good. Got a little trailer hitch on the back, which is non-functioning, which is too bad because if we had a canner or something, it'd be fun to pull around. We'd have to make our own little thing on that. But okay. Oh, I just broke something. I just broke the damn steering wheel. Damn it to hell! Look at that. That just pisses me all to hell. Oh. See, you're trying to hang on to things and the little tender things. And I'm going to have to fix that. Get some glue. That makes me mad at him. Not that anybody cares, but I care. These are my toys. These are my babies. Okay, we turn it on. Nothing. What if I got the batteries in wrong or something? Well, as you can see, we did a complete swap out with the batteries, and we have 8 brand new batteries in there. These weren't dead because we were running tanks last night with these batteries, weren't we? And we got nothing. So we're going to read the instructions. All right, anyway, it's not working. That's the problem. I think this is kind of the wrap on the video tonight because I broke the stupid steering wheel off because you have to undo it to put the batteries in. There's no way. I don't want to break my thing, so we're going to put everything in here. And I think we're just going to call this a wrap for tonight, Adam, and just say, what the hell? So, anyway, this is Grandpa's Hobby Garage. Over and out with prejudice. Subscribe, damn it. Bye. This is not an advertisement for Leatherman, but everybody ought to have one. In fact, our boss says if we don't have a Leatherman, we're not a man. Is that a true statement? I don't know or not, but I don't really care. Up here.
You did Phillips?
Yeah, no, little Phillips. That is a little Phillips. Except for they're in some language I don't understand. I don't know.